If you're interested in earning money with cryptocurrency, the first thing you need to do is conduct thorough research. It's important to familiarize yourself with the different types of cryptocurrencies, learn about the various methods of making money in the crypto world, and understand the advantages and disadvantages of each approach. Once you have a good grasp of these aspects, you can begin investing. In addition to investing, it's crucial to find a reliable and secure method to store your cryptocurrency. There are several options available, such as hardware wallets, software wallets, and online exchanges. Now, let's explore some of the ways you can make money with cryptocurrency in 2023. However, before we begin our video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. Mining. One of the most popular methods to earn money with cryptocurrency is through mining. Mining involves verifying transactions on the blockchain and adding new blocks of data to the chain. Miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency for their work in this process. Mining can be carried out using specialized hardware or through cloud mining services. With cloud mining, you don't have to worry about purchasing or maintaining hardware, but the rewards are generally lower compared to hardware mining. It's important to understand that mining cryptocurrency is not a simple task and consumes a significant amount of electricity. Therefore, it's crucial to conduct thorough research before diving into mining activities. Number 2. Staking. Crypto staking is an investment method in which you hold a specific amount of coins in your wallet for a certain duration. By doing so, you receive a small interest on your investment. This allows you to earn passive income from your cryptocurrency investments. The amount of interest you can earn depends on the specific cryptocurrency and the quantity of coins you stake. Keep in mind that different cryptocurrencies offer varying reward rates, so it's important to conduct thorough research before proceeding with staking. Number 3. Trading. Another widely used method to make money with cryptocurrency is through trading. This approach entails buying and selling cryptocurrencies on a crypto exchange. By capitalizing on price fluctuations, you can aim to make a profit. It's important to note that trading cryptocurrency carries risks and losses can occur. Therefore, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the basics before you begin trading. Take the time to educate yourself and acquire the necessary knowledge to navigate the trading landscape successfully. Number 4. Investing. Investing in cryptocurrency is a fantastic method to earn money with crypto. You have the option to invest in specific coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or you can consider investing in a cryptocurrency index fund. Opting for an index fund allows you to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. However, it's crucial to thoroughly research and comprehend the risks associated with cryptocurrency investments before diving in. By doing so, you can make informed decisions and navigate the crypto market more effectively. Number 5. Lending. Another avenue to generate income from your crypto assets is through cryptocurrency lending. This method entails lending your cryptocurrency to another individual or entity in exchange for interest. The interest rate you earn will vary based on the specific cryptocurrency you lend and the amount you provide for lending. It's important to carefully consider the terms and conditions of the lending platform or service before engaging in cryptocurrency lending activities. Number 6. Earning interest. Cryptocurrency provides an opportunity to earn interest on your investments through a process called yield farming. In yield farming, you lend your cryptocurrency to a platform and receive interest in return. The amount of interest you earn depends on the specific platform and the type of cryptocurrency you lend. It's important to exercise caution and choose reliable and trustworthy platforms for yield farming, as not all platforms are safe. Take the time to research and select platforms that have a proven track record of security and reliability. Number 7. Affiliate program. Numerous cryptocurrency exchanges provide affiliate programs that enable you to earn commissions by referring customers. When you refer someone to an exchange, you can earn a percentage of the transaction fees they pay. This presents an excellent opportunity to make money with crypto without engaging in trading or investing. However, It's important to note that affiliate programs can be highly competitive. To make the most of this opportunity, research and identify the most lucrative affiliate programs available in the market. By selecting the best options, you can maximize your earnings potential in the affiliate space. Number 8. ICOs. Initial coin offerings, ICOs, are a type of investment where you purchase a company's tokens using cryptocurrency. They can be a lucrative way to make money with crypto, as they have the potential to provide high returns on investment. However, it's crucial to be mindful of the associated risks. Unfortunately, many ICOs turn out to be scams, resulting in financial losses. Therefore, it is essential to verify the legitimacy of an ICO before investing your funds. Thorough research plays a vital role in your crypto investment journey. It enables you to predict and determine your crypto strategy. However, with numerous research platforms available in the market, selecting the best one for your needs can be a challenge. Take your time to explore and choose a reliable and reputable research platform that aligns with your requirements. Earning money with cryptocurrency presents an excellent opportunity to generate passive income and expand your wealth. Regardless of the method you choose, conducting thorough research and comprehending the associated risks and potential rewards are vital steps. By adopting a well-informed and analytical approach, you can capitalize on your crypto investments and strive for financial gains in 2023 and beyond. Remember, knowledge and understanding are key factors in making informed decisions and maximizing your chances of success in the world of crypto. So, that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get all the latest updates.